Welcome back to Print Smart Help. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix common printer problems on your Windows PC. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. First, click on the Start menu, open Settings, and then go to Update and Security. Now select Troubleshoot and click on Additional Troubleshooters. From the list, locate Printer and click on Run the Troubleshooter. Windows will now start scanning your system for common printer-related issues. After a few seconds, it will prompt you to select your printer. Choose your printer from the list and allow Windows to detect the issue. If any problem is found, Windows will either fix it automatically or suggest a solution. In many cases, this quick method solves the issue instantly. If the issue still persists, let's move on to the next method. Right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Scroll down and expand the Print Queues section. You see all the installed printers listed here. Now right-click on your printer. For example, I'll select any desk printer, then click on Update Driver. A new window will appear with two options. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now check online for the latest driver updates. If it shows that the best drivers are already installed, simply close the window. But don't stop here. Also update Microsoft Print to PDF using the same steps. Right-click on it, select Update Driver, and again choose Search automatically for drivers. This helps ensure that all printer-related drivers are up to date. Once done, close Device Manager and restart your computer. In most cases, your printer issue should now be resolved. That's it for today. These are some of the simplest and most effective ways to fix printer problems on a Windows PC. Thanks for watching. If you're still facing any printer issues, call the number shown on your screen for expert help.